Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on my class teacher in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my class teacher's name is Mrs. Gayatri Sharma. Second line is, she teaches us social studies. Third line is, she is very kind and patient with all the students. Fourth line is, she always come to class with a smile on her face. Fifth line is, she explains the lessons clearly. Sixth line is, she encourages us to ask questions and participate in class discussions. Seventh line is, she organizes quizzes to make learning more interesting. Eighth line is, she is fair and treats all students equally. Ninth line is, she is always willing to help us. Last line, that is line number 10 is, she inspires us to work hard and do our best in school.